Got a quick video of the Southern train before I ran out of memory on my phone and had to redo the video. So I got a short one. I'm afraid of overheating the engine, so I had to stop. But as you can see, that little Proto, now keep in mind, the Norfolk Western behind it is a dummy engine. That one engine, Proto 2000, was towing all these. Every single one of these. And that guy couldn't do it all by himself, and that's an eighth herd. I'm pleasantly surprised. I tried to turn him on with that, and it wouldn't let me do it. So, decided to shoot a video before the big train show tomorrow. Wanted to do just a really fast one. Big day tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I'll see if I find anything. Hopefully it turns out well. But I'm actually going to call this a little bit of an early video because I just wanted to bring y'all up to speed about what's heading on. Going to take some stuff, see if I could sell anything, and trade some stuff hopefully. But I'm going to try to take pictures, maybe even a short video tomorrow. Just wanted to shoot a video because y'all hadn't seen me in a bit or heard from me in a while, so wanted to show that little guy there in action. And it's tough. I actually had it running about 2 or 3 laps, and I was afraid of overheating it, so I shut it off about right there. Man, totally impressed with this little thing. It does good. It does really good. Can't wait to put a DCC in there and pair it up with this thing, because apparently this won't go back to DC anymore. I tried. It will turn on sound, but that's it. So we'll see. But other than that, it's projects. Finally got the J sent off to be turned into a true 611 Spirit of Roanoke edition. You won't find that anywhere. It's not even sold as a Spirit of Roanoke edition anywhere. So that's it. I'll have a fully customized 611. I've got to do a few more things. I'm actually going to take the family tomorrow, so I'll be there with the family and speaking to a few people tomorrow. But I'll keep y'all updated. I just want to do a really quick video, show everybody I'm still running around, I'm still active. Just takes me a while, especially if I'm off of work and stuff, which I'm actually off tonight, so I'm very happy about that. It's about 10:30 on Thursday night, so I'm gonna try to lay down early and spend some time with the wife and stuff and the baby. So I'm actually gonna hop off here and see if I can find some stuff for sale and see if I want to trade anything or save anything. But y'all stay tuned. I got some big stuff happening. My big surprise should be in next week or the week after, hopefully. So y'all watch for that one. It's gonna be it's a one-off. You've probably seen the train, but not what I'm doing to it. So it's gonna be a big reveal on that. We've stayed very hush-hush about this one. So y'all stay tuned and keep on watching and shoot me a message. I like hearing from y'all. But y'all take care. I'm gonna cut this one short. Thank y'all. Bye.